In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to brainstorm effective hashtag ideas for your social media content. I start by typing a prompt asking for a categorized list of fitness hashtags specifically for a beginner-level home workout challenge. The AI provides a well-organized breakdown that separates high-reach broad tags from more specific mid-reach and niche community tags. This allows me to see exactly which tags will help me trend and which ones will connect me with a dedicated, engaged audience. Next, I use the follow-up bar to request a new set of hashtags for a Tokyo travel guide focusing on budget-friendly and photography-centered keywords. The results are divided into clear categories like urban photography, budget travel, and mood-based tags, giving me a diverse selection to choose from. By using this conversational search tool, I can quickly generate highly relevant hashtags that are perfectly tailored to my specific niche and target demographic. This simple workflow saves me a ton of time while ensuring my posts have the best possible chance of being seen by the right viewers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.